5 benefits of gratitude. Showing your gratitude can be a great way to spread positive feelings in the world around you. When you think about it, reaching your goals starts with a single positive thought. How do you feel when someone sincerely expresses his or her gratitude to you for something you did? Doesn't it make you feel good about yourself? These positive feelings can lift you up, boost your enthusiasm, and motivate you to achieve even more. Feeling grateful for what you have can produce the same good feelings and sustain your drive toward your goals. This shows how gratitude can have some seriously positive snowball effects. Here are some of the benefits of gratitude. Reaching your goals. When you feel grateful, it tends to be a lasting and selfless feeling. It's much more than just a momentary burst of positive energy. It has staying power that will provide a great boost for you to reach your goals. When you express your gratitude to others, ensure that you're open and expressive. People don't know what you're thinking. Hearing it can make all the difference. Strengthened relationships. There are many ways you can express your gratitude to your loved ones, including saying, "Thank you," writing a letter, or giving them a thoughtful gift. When you learn to avoid taking your loved ones for granted, you'll have a long-lasting and loving relationship. Showing gratitude is a two-way street. Learn how to effectively express your gratitude and, just as importantly, to receive it as well. Improved communication. Gratitude can mean better communication all around. By expressing your gratitude to strangers, they'll be more likely to show an interest in helping you too. Gratitude is such a powerful entity that it can even help you communicate with your pets. They should be appreciated too. More effective constructive criticism. No matter how we express constructive criticism, it often makes the recipient defensive or even angry. No one likes a blow to the ego. In this situation, a grateful attitude can take you a long way. You can express criticism quite effectively when you also emphasize what you appreciate about them. Preserving memories. You can preserve memories in a positive way when you keep a gratitude journal. You'll be able to enjoy your memories again and again when you read about these happy times in the future. Show your gratitude every day. Showing gratitude to others may seem like a selfless act, but it's something that you also benefit from. When you show your gratitude every day, you change the way you think. You'll appreciate your good life when the majority of your thoughts remain positive. Negative thoughts can sometimes be overwhelming, and just because you have them doesn't mean you're a bad person. They happen to everyone, but you can strive to keep them to a minimum with the help of a grateful attitude. One way to show your gratitude every day is to remind yourself of the big picture when a negative thought arises. If a petty argument with your spouse makes you feel angry and heated, take a deep breath and think for a moment. Remember that the argument is not permanent and, instead, feel grateful for the gift of this relationship. Our days on this earth are numbered, so we must cherish the time that we do have and enjoy the benefits of living each day as if it were our last. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.